Hi there, it's Kevin Casey from LeGrow with Beth Porter from Noseworthy Chapman, who's a tax specialist who's joining us at this dreaded tax time for business. And the final video, which we've got, is do I really need to keep all those little receipts? And what do I need to write on those receipts? Even though there's a Visa or MasterCard or Amex statement coming every month, do I really need to keep all those? Beth, give us the goods on that.
Yeah, you really do need to keep a receipt for sure. The Visa or MasterCard or American Express, credit card statements are not sufficient because it doesn't give you the detail of what was involved. A lot of times, even for example, going to the gas bar and getting your gas, for the company, filling up the car or the truck, that could be beer or cigarettes. CRA has no idea without looking at the underlying receipt what's included in that. So you want to make sure you have the actual receipt. A lot of the questions we get nowadays is around record keeping, electronic methods, for example. So CRA actually has published guidelines on this. You're allowed to take some kind of, electronic copy of that receipt, as long as you have the ability to reproduce that in a paper form and it contains all of the same information that it did. And it's actually quite better because a lot of the paper that you get as a receipt now is that thermal paper, and that actually doesn't retain the information much more than a year. And you've got to keep your records for at least 6 completed filed tax years. So electronic means is actually probably preferable in a lot of cases, and it certainly cuts down on the amount of paper that you have to keep.
And there you have it. That's our tax tips. I hope you found them helpful. Thank you to Beth Porter and our friends over at Noseworthy Chapman. Super smart people. If you have a question around taxes, we'd be happy to lob it back and see if we can stump Beth, but it's tough. Anyways, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the other side.